Welcome to Tomorrow's World Answers, where we answer your questions straight from the Bible. During his time on earth, Jesus made many comments about the law of God and the need for his followers to exemplify an outgoing concern for the welfare of others. Sometimes the notion that Jesus did away with his Father's law is expressed by various groups, and they look to find evidence to support this view in the Scriptures. Did Jesus reduce the 10 Commandments to just 2? Some will try to turn to a passage in Matthew 22 as evidence that he did. It reads, "Teacher, which is the great commandment in the law?" Jesus said to him, "You shall love the Lord your God with all your heart, all your soul, and with all your mind. This is the first and great commandment. And the second is like it. You shall love your neighbor as yourself." Let us look more closely at what Jesus was saying and from where those statements originated. First of all, he stated that most importantly, we should love the Lord our God with all our heart. Deuteronomy 6 verse 5 reads, "You shall love the Lord your God with all your heart, with all your soul, and with all your strength." Jesus was quoting the words given through Moses when the law was given to Israel. This is, of course, in relation to the first 4 of the 10 Commandments, which show us how to properly love and respect our Creator. Now, turn to Leviticus 19, verse 18. "You shall not take vengeance, but you shall love your neighbor as yourself. I am the Lord." The second command to love your neighbor summarize the last 6 commandments, which show us how to love our fellow man. These 2 statements Christ made were vital to the Old Testament instructions as well as to Christians of the New Testament. Hence, Jesus added, "On these 2 commandments hang all the law and the prophets." Rather than doing away with the law of God, they enhanced it. He was showing that the 10 Commandments guide us in how we can properly love God and man. Neither Jesus nor the apostles changed God's law. Christ expounded on its meaning and how keeping them brings us into harmony with both God and our fellow man. To submit a question for the show, email us at twanswers@tomorrowsworld.org. Be sure to watch us online at twcanada.org or by searching Tomorrow's World Answers on YouTube.